go ahead and hop in storm. Oh, they got some bird dookie. What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy Exotic. We'll go ahead and let that on up. So we got a package in today. That package is something very small. You can tell by the title and the thumbnail. We just got some sequential lights for the back of the car today. So my bad if my voice sound like it's gone or whatever. It's because like my allergies have been trying to kill me for like the past 2 weeks straight, literally. But you know, the grind don't stop, man. Grind don't stop. Right now we're on the way up to Firestone. You know, see the boys, see the gang. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know y'all like the Firestone videos. We built there with all the shenanigans. First we gotta stop and get some Voss water. Shout out to Voss water. I'm gonna need a sponsorship with y'all, man, because Voss water be going crazy. That's the smoothest water I've ever had. I mean, when I say literally like the smoothest, like the smoothness of it, like I don't know. I don't want it to sound weird though. All right. By the way, again, y'all, I cannot wait to get this car tuned. Yesterday I got off the phone with the tuner. We officially have a date for when we're getting tuned. So y'all stay on the channel for that. Make sure y'all stay looking at the videos, looking at the updates and everything like that for when we start getting car parts. And such as when we start getting all the car parts, then that's when y'all can be like, hey, this dude finna get tuned. You right. Y'all, this all green Ford going crazy. I don't know whose in Ford is, but I need to meet dude because I'm always seeing him all over the place. And well, especially right here on this specific street at a specific time. I don't understand what it is going on. Everybody knows that I love M4s, so I mean, you know, maybe that's a sign. I don't know. I'm already putting my order in for a GC3 RS, so I don't know if an M4 is gonna come before it or after. Or I don't know how life is gonna play out, but we'll figure it out. And yeah, y'all, we have a tunnel. Y'all, the tunnels never get old. I swear they don't. They never get old. But anyway, I still have my cats on here. So like, imagine if I were, what if I went a full exhaust, you know, no cats, big flames, the whole 9 yards. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? I just gonna keep that on the low. We don't want the federales to get on us. You know what I'm saying? And we have made it to the whoa, son. Whoa there. Come on. That's how people get in the wrecks. Y'all like pulling out in front of people. Sorry, ooh, it's a big pothole right there. Let's see if they have my Voss water. They got smart water. I don't see Voss. I don't see Voss anywhere. I see Fiji. Fiji's alright. I think Fiji's overrated, honestly. Are we just gonna go ahead and go with the Fiji? So they got Celsius up here. Shout out to Belgium and Exotics. We just gonna go ahead and grab the Fiji. Just for some fact, I can't find the Voss water, so Fiji for the win. We got our Fiji water. We got our water for the day. Well, just not for the day, but it's just the first fill up or whatever you want to call it. Got the little water, so for the going, she needs a car wash real bad. We about to go ahead, hit the Firestone. That way we can go ahead and throw these lights on. Yeah, there was a cop right there, so I couldn't really do much. I was looking, I was like, oh, that's just one of those people, because Tennessee has a big problem with letting civilians drive police cars, and you think that everyone is a police, and I don't even understand how that's in any way, shape, or form legal, besides the point of it not being registered into the force. But you know, that's not my problem, I guess. Just gonna throw her in sport mode real fast, turn off the traction, just let her rip a little bit. Goodness, bro. So we're here at Firestone now. I think the Loud crew has left the building already, which sucks because I freaking need their help. Goodness, man, this whole thing is it's bonkers right now. This silk, man, got his hair done and everything.
Fresh.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, gotta stay clean, gotta stay. presentable. Sometimes.
He said sometimes.
I can't look at the bum all the time.
He said sometimes it's crazy. So we're gonna pay attention to the backup camera, right? And okay, make sure he's not there. Cool deal. Just gonna pay attention. Look at this guy. Oh Lord. Let me go ahead. What is he doing? Look at him. He's literally sitting on my camera right now, bro. What is he doing?
You gotta find another spot, buddy. Sorry, the big Tonka truck took your spot.
Oh, the big Tonka truck took my spot. I'll tow him. It's all right. I got all-wheel drive. It's all good. So we're gonna park over here at Color Match. I don't know how I feel about this. Just seeing my car halfway across the street and knowing anything could happen to it, I'm not knowing how to feel about that right now. So we're going to be very, very cautious on watching my car from across the street. Anyway, Silk's not in the rear view this time, so yeah, we're just gonna park, and we're good. Always forget educational, right? Anytime you're on the hill, put the parking brake down. That way it gives your normal brakes a break, literally. Give your normal brakes a break. Okay. Torture seeing my car all the way across the world right now. And it's like, if anything happens, I got maybe 30 seconds before I get over there. Get the, champ, you know what I'm saying? Get it. You can see where it's at. The phone is right here. So wait, what just happened, Rick? Yo,
let it slip.
Just let it slip. So wait, what's the story behind him looking for his phone?
He pulled a car out, got left in the car. I've had it for an hour and he's just now remembered it. So now he's searching. So we're gonna put it back on his pod, make him think he's crazy.
This is absolute torture. Okay, y'all just got behind the scenes, so we'll see when he comes back. Rick is standing there like he's gonna come here looking for it.
Hey, what you have? You sure?
Yes, this morning I had been on.
What kind of phone?
It's a splat phone, like one y'all took my phone.
Ain't nobody.
That's crazy. But now we're just waiting on Carson to get back, so that way we can go get some food. I want some Chick-fil-A mignon, you know what I'm saying? I really need some more windshield wipers. I'm not gonna lie to you. I need some more windshield wipers.
6 times a month, so.
How do you keep losing your phone, dog?
It's because it's about that's why. That's why, because it's about game high, that small, and it's just so overlookable. Yep.
Oh my God.
Hey.
Yeah.
I've had it for an hour.
An hour? What was it?
You left in no girl's car.
I thought so.
I don't know what to do with you.
All right. So right now, y'all are in my trunk. Here's the package. Here are the sequential lights. We got them both. I'll try to go ahead and show you. Oh my goodness, it is wiring. These are not the clip-ins. All right. Anyway, here are the sequentials. I thought that this was like going to be some kind of clip-in because that's what I saw in the video, but unfortunately they're not. They do fit. I just did a test fitment, so yeah, we'll see how this goes. Never mind that, I'm just about to go ahead and sell them. The videos that I watched are not in any way, shape, or form the same as what it's trying to be right now, so I'm just thinking about selling the lights in general, all in all. I don't even want to deal with them right now. Well, really just like at all. I don't want to deal with them at all. It's just not the type of person I am. Lights gotta go. Traded in the Scatty for a Honda.
Man, it's gone. No more scat pack.
No more scat pack.
I'm going for reliability now and gas mile.
Oh my goodness, this thing's nice though, dog. There's he trading the Scatty for a Honda. I like that. That's respect. That's not respect.
Don't let him fool you, y'all. I got the big boy Scatty.
My guy said he don't like the gas guzzler tax.
Hey, I put $7 in this motherfucker yesterday. Got me to half a tank. 36 miles to the gallon. Woo.
Looks like we all need to go to Honda Boys. You know what I'm saying? You say you saw me go by?
Yeah.
That man.
Huh? Vlogging?
Yep, hardly working hard. Yeah, there goes 605 Koala. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so that's the one with the built scat. I need to go ahead and try to get a video with a scat pack to try to drive it eventually, just so I can see. I've driven a wide body before, but he's like built on a whole different level, so we'll just see the difference between the two. We just got our food. Yummy. We ran into a supporter, I guess you want to call it, whatever you want to call it. It was a cool kid. He was just asking, like, you know, he saw my camera. He was like, well, do you do YouTube? I was like, yeah, man, I do YouTube. And you know, he subscribed and stuff like that. He looked me up. Cool kid. But we portrayed the wrong image. The kid asked if we run from the cops. We don't have any reason to do that. So I mean, you know, it is what it is. I don't know. Just the car scene itself just portrays the wrong.
That's what I want to say. We do not condone. And there was a post I saw this morning. That's always the first thing. Car community, we always are portrayed to run from the cops or do things that we have to run from the cops. Can we just meet up, admire each other cars, go for a nice little drive where we're just cruising, not actually running from the cops? And that's the
and that's the thing that we do. That's why we're here. But that's why my channel is here again too. It's more than just cars. It's just the lifestyle. Just showing you don't have to always do something stupid or reckless to be cool, bro. Like y'all ain't gotta do all that. Y'all can be cool by being yourself. That's where you actually get the most respect, and I've noticed that. That's where the most OGs will respect you for being yourself and not doing stupid stuff. So like, you know, y'all gotta think about stuff. Then again, I could tell he was definitely younger than me, but
that's the influence you gotta look at, especially to my older people that's out there watching. We got these young kids coming up looking at us, and if they think all the car community is takeovers, burnouts, that's why the car community is falling, because we don't have the support of the older guys showing them we have something you can do other than burnouts, donuts, and takeovers. You just enjoy your car, cruise, and let people know like you're responsible with your car. Yeah, and then don't get us wrong though. Doing all this stuff is definitely fun, but there's a time and a place. And now we're trying to take this stuff off the streets. So like, there's a time and a place for everything. Don't get me wrong, you still see some of the bigger influencers, like they'll go out and they'll, you know, do like little shenanigans stuff, do some donuts and like a tunnel or something. It's a closed off area, mind you, that's one thing. Two, if they get in trouble, they can get out of it. So like, you know, it's you gotta pick and choose your battles wisely, pretty much, that's all that is. But anyway, we talked about all that, but you know, it's always fun to have this every once in a while. And that's all it takes is a minor acceleration. What are we looking at, y'all? Oh, he finna get hit by a car. I'm not about to be next. Oh, my toe. Oh my God. Y'all, do y'all remember these wheels? He wasn't playing when he said he got us a... It's gonna be an investment right there. Y'all better not take my idea.
An investment?
Yep. I feel about shitty rails and they go water hose rails.
So you're gonna be the first creator for that?
First creator.
Y'all heard it here first, folks. I'm on to Exotic channel.
Introducing the water reel. It's the rim reel, bro. The rim wheel. The rim wheel. Rim reel. Say that fast 3 times. Rim wheel. Rim wheel.
That is. Wait, that has to be one of the loudest rings I've ever heard in my life. Like you know, like at a school, you can hear like the bell or something like that. You can hear Ramon Beverly report to the principal's office. Like that is the loudest intercom I've heard in a minute. Wait a minute. I'm looking. So at first I'm looking towards the front. It's this guy. He's back here playing on the intercom. Okay. I literally heard Raymond Mallory to the front, please. Who is that?
We've had a very productive day. I know it's about that time for us to wrap it up. We finna get out of
here. With some diesel.
With that being said, y'all be safe out there. You see ambulances and the fire trucks flying up and down the street. We all gotta make that money, y'all, but get there safely. We finna like I said, wrap it up. Y'all have a nice day.
Yeah. So unfortunately, we're about to wrap the video up today. So no sequentials right now. We're gonna wait for Loud Crew to come help us out because I don't know what I'm looking at and I don't have the patience for it. So if y'all did enjoy this video of shenanigans at Firestone, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I know y'all miss these videos, put the shenanigans and everything. I will see you on the next one's live video. He's about to go get something. I don't know what he's doing, but you know.
Make sure y'all put this in y'all calendars. We got June 8th through 11th. We got the epic sale going on, and you can save a lot of money. Hold up. Look right here. $100 off if you spend $600. $40 off if you spend $250. Hold up. We got $15 off if you spend $100. That's on tires, oil changes, alignments, anything you do. Come in. June 8th through 11th, please, and save some money.
There y'all go. That concludes today's videos to Exotic Approved. Be safe. I love y'all. See you next on Too Exotic video. Peace out.